Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Bankwest Online Banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Bankwest Bank. So here it is. Now click on this first website over here. Now on the top right, we can see this option called login and choose the type of online banking you have. Let's go for personal online banking. Now enter your personal access number, and if you want that number to be remembered even after you get back, simply tick mark over here. Now enter your password and simply click on login, and if you have forgotten the password, we can click on reset your password online to reset it. And let's click on login after you are done with all of this, and finally we'll get into Bankwest Online Banking interface. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.